Okay, we're back live. Thank you so much. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's International Realty in beautiful, sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. Look at these skies. Wow. It's still pretty hot. Don't let them fool you. Okay, so we're over at 8714 East Rancho Vista Drive in Scottsdale, 85251. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, totally renovated. 2475 on the square foot. About $525 per square foot. We're listed at 1.2995. It's a gorgeous house, totally renovated inside and out. This is a labor of love. This was not a Home Depot cheapo job. I'm gonna prove it to you. Extra care, heart and soul in the driveway, even, as you can see. Nice landscaping. Side gate, pavers, accent lighting. Almost totally rebuilt, just awesome. Palm trees, these are incredible. These are hybrid palms, so they kind of built it around these palm trees because these are super expensive. These are like up to like 25, 30 grand per tree. And there's no fruit on them either. So anyways, here we go. Let's go through the house. I'll try to do this all in one piece, but I may have to break up the inside and the outside, depending on how hot the phone gets. All right, so here we are. We walk into the main living area of the home. So it's open concept, obviously, as you can see. Appointed very, very well. This fireplace can be converted to actual gas if you want. It does run off Bluetooth. It's awesome. Changes colors. Really awesome system. Love it. The runway lighting is something we don't usually see in Old Town Scottsdale, but this is really cool. And that's dimmable and so forth as well. So at nighttime, like last night, we had a twilight showing here and the house is all dim and looks all sexy and everything. You just want to sit down with Netflix, grab some popcorn and, hang out. And it's perfect for that, but during an open house, it's not appropriate to do that. Got beautiful island with under cabinet lighting and storage. Awesome countertops. Oh, if you had come in today, you would have been the lucky recipient of one of these Halloween treats, the flavored sparkling water. I'll take you outside in just a minute. I'm gonna break this up into 2 parts. I can already tell this one's getting hot. Okay, so the European cabinetry, really, really nice. It's all soft close. You cannot slam these doors, not that you would want to, but it just makes it really nice to just roll right through. There you go, done. Open, close. Pot filler, here, love it. Turn the water on. Turn the oven on for your garlic bread. You make it the spaghetti right here. Microwave there. So this used to be a 5th bedroom. They converted it into dining area. 5-bedroom homes really aren't that popular right now, or at least in this size home, which is about 2,500 square foot. Renovated bath with the mirror there, backlit and fogless, really cool. Room for 2, room for 1. Here's the renovated bathroom here, the tub, tile. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful tile. Nice accents. Mullen. Beautiful. Let's go back down. So here's all, this is hidden surprise. Hidden linen. Extra storage. Love it. Okay, bedroom number 2. This one is ensuite. What is ensuite anyways? It means there's a bathroom in the room. All right. Cool closet. Nice glass doors. They're just not the standard old kind of boring 6 panels. They went above and beyond, like I told you initially. These are cool. Look at these floors. Nice. Same thing with the mirror here. Fogless, backlit, or frontlit. Similar styling in the privacy glass, important to have in the shower. I'll get out there in just a minute. This is so cool outside. I can't wait to show you. Okay, let's go this way. Back bedroom. Well, it's to the front of the house, but back bedroom number 2. Probably be 3. This would be the 4th. All right, we're running at 6 minutes. So for the sake of the upload, let's just go into, I'll show you the utility room and the primary suite real quick, and then I'll cut and we'll go outside in part 2. Awesome, awesome. Ferraris of the washing community right there, beautiful. Okay, here's the primary. Opens all up, so you have your indoor, outdoor living, which I would have open today, but it's too hot. Awesome walk-in closet. And then this display here, there's tons of cameras in the house and so forth, so you can monitor from wherever you are, and that's usually used for monitoring purposes. So if you have fancy things outside or whatever, you can monitor it from wherever you are in the house or on your phone, whatever you want. Okay. Similar style mirrors, dimmable, fogless, privacy glass, private water closet room, this is awesome here. Rainforest style dual shower. And the tub is actually in the shower. So I think that's really appropriate. Very cool. So you've got the wand over here, and then you just got the regular over here. So you can use either or, you see? You just have a whole Swiss bath going on. That's what I do, I run the whole thing. And again, beautiful tile on the walls. All right, I'm gonna cut probably here, and then let my phone cool down just a little bit, and then we'll go do the quick outside tour. We're clocking in at about 8 minutes here, and I just wanna make sure that this phone doesn't explode on me, okay? Okay, I'll be back in a second, please stay tuned.